This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paula McClendon. Weston Hills Country Club, safe, prestigious, and absolutely beautiful place to live, ambience everywhere. This rare bougainvillea floor plan is tucked away on a quiet palm-lined street. Enter through wrought iron gates to a lovely courtyard area. Walk through glass French doors to see views of the patio and heated saltwater pool. West SPA. Decor styles come and go, but a charming, pristine home never goes out of style. Split bedrooms, stone-look tile in living areas, master and office bed. Bamboo in 2 bedrooms, crown molding, private OASIS pool area, plantation shutters throughout, wood kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite counters, cooking island, wall oven, new roof and water heater 2015, newer AC, LED hi-hats, pool resurfaced 2018, accordion shutters, custom closets in master. Absolute perfection. For more information, review the details below or contact Paula McClendon at 954-217-8550.